Prices. The Simple One is priced at 1.45 rupees lakh for the standard color schemes and 1.5 rupees lakh, ex-showroom Bengaluru, including the latest FAME 2 subsidies, for the ex-dual-tone color schemes. Features. The Simple One is a feature-rich offering. It comes equipped with all LED lighting, a massive 30-liter under-seat storage, swappable batteries, a combined braking system, fast charging, and a 7-inch TFT instrument cluster. The TFT display packs OTA updates, geofencing, a tire pressure monitoring system, vehicle tracking, ride statistics, and can even store documents. Powertrain. Simple Energy has employed a 7 kilowatts peak output motor, putting out best-in-class 72 Newton meters for the Simple One. This can propel the scooter from 0 to 40 km per hour in merely 2.77 seconds, making it the quickest electric scooter, on paper, to go on sale in India. Along with this, the Simple One gets a one-of-a-kind dual battery setup with a fixed battery and a 7 kg removable battery pack, adding up to a total capacity of 5 kWh. The battery charges up to 80% in 5 hours and 54 minutes, with the home charger. It also features fast charging, with a 1-minute charge offering a claimed 1.5 kilometers. The company claims the Simple One offers a massive 225 kilometers of range. Suspension and brakes. The underpinnings of the Simple One comprise a tubular underbone chassis, sprung on a telescopic fork and a monoshock. It rolls on 12-inch alloy wheels shod with 90-section tires. However, Simple Energy will also offer the scooter with a 100-section front and 110-section rear tire combination as well. Braking prowess comes via a 200mm disc up front and a 190mm disc at the rear, which work in conjunction thanks to CBS. Oh, and the braking is regenerative too. The Simple One tips the scale at 134 kilograms, as opposed to 110 kilograms earlier, and has a seat height of 775mm, which should make it pretty easy to ride for most people. Rivals. The Simple One goes up against the other premium electric e-scooters like the Ola S1 Pro and the Ather 450X. Simple One specifications. Range 212 km per charge. Motor power 8500 W. Motor type PMSM. Charging time 1 hour 5 minutes. Front brake disc. Rear brake disc. Body